Starting with my eyebrows using the Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. Take your time to do the brows as they frame your eyes for the eye makeup. Now I'm using the LA Girl concealer to conceal my under eyes. I'm in the shade Pure Peach. This shade is slightly peach for my skin tone, hence I'll be using the same shade to hide my acne spots too. Just patting it on using my fingertips. You can also use a small beauty blender or a small fluffy blending brush. I'm also gonna apply the concealer around my mouth and on the corners of my nose. These areas tend to be darker than the rest of the face. I'm gonna set the concealer using the Biotic Magic Compact in the shade Seashell. The Biotic Compact worked decently well and I wasn't carrying my loose powder as I was traveling. Using the Maybelline Colossal Kajal on my lower lash line and tight lining the upper lash line. I'll be using just one eyeshadow for the eye makeup. I'm using Woodwinked by MAC. You can go for any bronzy gold eyeshadow. Use your fingertips or a small eyeshadow brush to apply it evenly on the eyelids. This is a really great look if you are running short on time. Using the Maybelline Colossal Waterproof Mascara now. Don't forget to apply mascara as it really helps in opening up your eyes. Using the brush from PAC to apply the blush called Eleanor in the shade Spring Rose. I'm linking down the product below in the description box. Now I'm going to apply the highlighter from Maybelline in Molten Gold using the fan brush from PAC. Using the Nykaa Mattelicious Lip Crayon in Hot as Red as the lip color. This is the final look. I use no foundation for this look and it's very lightweight and can be worn even on a daily basis. You can switch up the lip color for a neutral one if you want.